Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we kind of have a review and a giveaway for you of our May eyeshadow palette that we're giving away. It is from Sydney Grace. It is the Sweet Indulgence palette. Now you can get this on sale right now on her website. I think I picked it up for like $10. Anyway, this is mine. I do have a brand new one to give away for you. Giveaway is really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, and somewhere in today's video it's going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for the giveaway as well. So what we're going to do is talk a little bit about the palette, do some swatches, do some looks, give you my final thoughts, and somewhere in here I'm going to be telling you what you need to do for the giveaway as well. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it tall, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. So here's what the palette looks on the inside. I absolutely love the Sydney Grace formula. It's one of my favorites out there. I'm trying to think of like, if I had to say which brands of eyeshadow palettes were my favorites. These are super pigmented. I would probably say like Natasha Denona and Sydney Grace are my top two. That's just where I'm at today, but that's what I would probably say. So what Sydney Grace says about it is the palette is a fun, colorful addition to your collection from pinks and purples to pretty teal. This palette has all you need to create a variety of fun eye looks. Okay, let's get into some swatches. Sugar Bear is a light mauve matte. Lolly is a medium mauve matte. And Sweet Tooth is a really dark matte. It's more actually on the creamier side. I don't know why I switched them with these three fingers, not that third one, but there you go. But that is one swipe, you guys. They are so pigmented. You can go in with a really light hand to make it lighter, or they're really easy to build up as well. Gumdrop, this purple shimmer is one of my favorite ones in here. There is a lot of fallout from it, so be really, really careful with that. Taffy is this medium tan matte. And Bubblegum is a light pink shimmer. I mean, just look at those shimmers, you guys. Look at that purple. So pretty. Okay, Jelly Bean here is this like coral shimmer. Sweet Cakes is this dark brown. And Sherbert is this teal that I'm mainly wearing on the eyes today. There are those three colors. Look at that blue, even that Sherbert. Yes, yes, please. Okay, let's go into a couple of the looks. I'm going to do kind of a mauve-y look today, mainly focusing like transition, crease, outer corner buildup, inner part of the lid, outer part of the lid for today's look. So let's start with this one. It is Lolly, and I'm going to put this in the crease. Very, very pigmented. A little this does go a long way. Okay, I kind of want to buff that and smooth that out a little bit. Like I said, note to self, little goes a long way on this palette. Okay, let's take Sugar Bear and just go on top of that and kind of help buff that out. Again, super pigmented. Make sure to knock off any of that outer, of that excess product. I do love using shields like this. It's just a little silicone shield for when I am doing more pigmented shadows. I just want to buff that out, just make the line a little less harsh. So I'm going to take Sweet Tooth here and just go in the very outer corner and do a little flick. And then let's take a Lolly in for the rest of that. Stopping about a third of the way. And then I want to ever so lightly go into Sugar Bear and put that right underneath. So let's take Jelly Bean in the outer 2/3, just doing a little tap, tap, tap. And take Bubble Gum in the inner third. Again, just a little tap, tap, tap. And then I do want to take that Bubble Gum into the inner corner of the upper lash, lower lash, and tear duct line. Tear duct. I am going to use a brush instead of my finger in that part because my fingers are just too big and I can't get the precision that I would like with the brush. So I use the brush instead. I do wish that this palette had like a super light that shade you could use for the inner corner, but it's only a 9-pan palette and you get like amazing colors in it. I'm loving this palette. Okay, let me go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. I'm doing kind of a purple look today, mainly concentrating on this color. Let's have some fun. This look is going to be pretty easy, pretty quick. So I am going to take Sugar Bear here on a rougher 01. And all I'm doing right now is patting that into the crease. And then I am going to come a little bit above it. I'm not blending yet, I'm just tapping. I'm going to lightly run that under the lower lash waterline as well. On the Luxie 205, I am going to take my shield here, corner of the nose, corner of the eyes, corner of the eyebrows, and I am taking a little bit more of that Sugar Bear on here and just kind of blending that out and into the shield. Now I am a person who doesn't like the super sharp line. I just kind of want to blow that out just a little bit. Just kind of soften it. There's no product on this brush. It's an SL Miss Glam. I do want to go into Sweet Tooth, into that outer corner, still taking that rougher 01. Just tapping right now. Now let's blend that just a little bit. I don't have any additional product. This was the same Luxie 205 that I was using before. I do want to tight line that Sweet Tooth just in the outer corner of the lower lash and then kind of flick it up a little bit. And this is on a e.l.f. eyeliner brush. And then with my finger, I am going to take Gumdrop kind of all over the lid here. It's such a pretty color. And I love using my finger for shimmers. Just tapping and then dragging just a little bit. I will go in with a brush into that very inner corner that I can't reach. And then I will take it about 2/3 on the lower lash line as well. It's mainly concentrating on that inner and then bringing whatever's just left on the brush towards the center. So I'm going to try and zoom you in. I do want to say be careful on that one because I have massive fallout going on right in here. So let me see if I can touch that up a little bit. Just take your same beauty blender that you were using for your foundation. I've gotten some of it up, but it's still really sparkly. So what I'm going to do is I just took the teeniest bit of concealer. So be really careful of fallout with that purple shade. Okay, let me put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So I think with the third and final look, I'm going to do I really want to concentrate on this teal, mainly doing these browns and teals, doing a really quick, easy look, starting with taffy here. And just tapping into that socket at the moment, and then working our way up. And then I want to blend that out just a little bit. So are you guys excited for the coronation this weekend? Do you care? Let me know. Do you care about it? Do you not? Let me know that in the comments down below. I'm really curious. I am all for it. I absolutely love this type of stuff. I'm probably gonna stay up all night, watch it live. So because of that, the secret word is crown. And then I do want to take just a little bit of this right underneath. Really concentrating, connecting that outer corner. Okay, let's go into Sweet Cakes in just that outer corner. Then I do want to tightline Sweet Cakes just in that outer third on the lower lash. Kind of flick it up just a little bit. Then I'm going to take sherbet with my finger, do a little tap, tap, tap in the center and inner third. Then where my finger can't reach, let's use a brush. And then I want to tightline it on the lower lash. And bring it over to about halfway. And then I do want to build up that outer corner just a hair more. And kind of go back and forth with my finger, just kind of to blend all that together. Okay, let me put on some mascara and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So which of the looks were your favorite? I think mine was that second one. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. So I'm super excited to give one of these away to one of you guys. You guys, I really enjoyed this palette. Like I said, the Sydney Grace formula is one of my favorites. These shadows last all day. They are highly pigmented. Just watch out, especially on this one, for fallout. Other than that, you guys, I think that you guys will absolutely love this. In the description box down below is the Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Make sure to put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries, and the bonus entries are really easy. Number first way is if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. That's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this video. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, and I can only do it with your help when you share it with your family and your friends and on your socials. I just want to reward you guys for doing so. So you only fill out the form once, and there's a spot on there to mark if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark it if you actually did do them, because I do check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I absolutely love it when I can make somebody else happy. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, especially damaged with eyeshadow palettes. I bundle them up really good, but you just never know. Make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now let's have this giveaway go through June 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on June 7th, what I'll do is I will take from the Google form all of the first names, first initial of the last names, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, put those in the computer spins it around, we all see the computer spins it around, and then as soon as I mail out the prizes to the winners, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information, I don't sell that information, I don't create distribution lists, I don't do anything like that. I'm the only one that has access to those. So I absolutely love this palette. Can't wait to give a brand new one to one of you guys. If you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you guys like and when you guys comment. There is, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. If not, hopefully we will see you guys soon. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your days. Take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.